Welcome to this session. The title for this session is Introduction to Accounting Package. Why I have given like that accounting package? Tally is a software or a package that is going to do accounts related things. So accounting package. Here I am going to talk about Tally ERP 9.0. Tally has an emblem like this, and there will be a word power of simplicity. Okay, let us get into the session. So the first question is, why I have to study Tally? That is, why Tally is needed for an organization. The first point is Tally ERP. Here ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So why they are calling this one as Enterprise Resource Planning means a Tally package will cover all the aspects of an enterprise. So 9.0 is the version, and here they have given a word is a Windows based means it is meant for only personal computers that is running on Windows, or how again it is made only for PC. And here you can see these words enterprise resource planning software. So this is a software that will work for your whole enterprise, where the enterprise resources will be planned according to the actions. Okay, the second point, what Tally will handle? Tally will handle the accounting, inventory management, order management, tax management, payroll, banking, and what are all the requirements required for a whole business will be bundled together. So Tally will handle most of all these activities in a single place. Okay, I will explain these topics in further sessions. Okay, now we can go for the third one. It supports all day-to-day process. That means every enterprise will have transactions or banking, or it may be any other calculations. Tally will cover all the parts of transactions that is happening from the day beginning to the day end. Day-to-day processes. How it will do that? By recording invoices and generating MIS reports. MIS means Management Information System reports. What are all the reports required for a management? That reports will be generated by the Tally. So for these reasons I use Tally. So now let us talk about the history of Tally. In the year 1999, the company changed its formal name to Tally. Before Tally it was begun, now it has been changed to Tally. In the year 2006, Tally launched its version 8.1, and also in the same year they released Tally 9 also. In the year 2009, they introduced Tally ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, a product that is made for whole enterprise, a big or a large organization, and it was named as 9. In the year 2015, the Tally ERP 9 was released with the version 5.0 update, which included tax and other statutory compliances like that, that is the rules and regulations, everything. In the 2016, Tally solutions with introduced with GST, goods and service tax, that was implied in India. So here some of the versions I have listed. The origin started in the year 1987, but we are going to talk about what happened after 1990. So in the year 1990, Tally 3.0 was released, and the next consecutive year, in the year 1991, Tally 3.12 was released. After 1 year, Tally 4 was introduced, and again in 1994, Tally 4.5 released. In the year 1996, Tally 5.4 released. 2001 6.3, 2005 7.2, 2006 8.1, and the year 2006 itself they released Tally 9.0. So in the year 2009 they introduced Tally ERP with the tax. and named it as same 9.0. So these are the versions that was started in the year from the year 1990. So now the title is Features of Tally 9.0. So what are all the features included in Tally we are going to see. First one is user friendly. Tally package is very friendly to the user. The user can find the options, can seek the results or whatever may be. Totally the Tally package where the user can operate according to his style and it will be very simple. So they are calling Tally 9 as user friendly package. Then second point is multilingual. Tally has numerous languages, whether it may be an Indian language or an international language. You can select your own language and can work on it. Then third point is instant results. Tally will supply results on the spot, whether it may be in a report form or you can see on the screen, whatever it may be, you can get the results on the spot. And the fourth point is very important. There is no programming codes. There is no programming codes means like C, C++ or Java. The user needs to write the code, but in Tally there is no codes that they have to surf. Using the mouse they can work. And complete range of books, financial accounting books or budget or cash flow, funds flow, whatever it may be, it will be recorded as a books. It is easy to handle and the software is very flexible. So what requirements you want, you can select it and you can use for your nature. And then analyze business performance. So Tally is mainly used to find the performance of my business, how my business is going, how my business will go, and how my business was going in the past. And your data is very highly secured. Whatever you are storing in your Tally package, that will be highly secure. No one can take without your knowledge. And the next point is data interactive. So the data from Tally, it can interact with any other programs through net or online support. Online is there. With the internet also it can work in Tally. Open database connectivity, which is called as ODBC. Open database connectivity. That means you can take your data from one software to another software or from one place to another place where the application differs. Tally is a package. From this package you can take the data and you can get it into the Excel. Like that you can connect your data to other applications. Internet connectivity for results. So from one place I can manipulate or I can calculate my data that is stored in another place using internet. And now latest goods and service tax is added. So all you know, in the year 2016 India implemented GST. Now that GST calculations is also included in Tally. And the last one is payroll management system. Every company has to calculate its employees wages or salaries, everything Tally can handle. So these are some of the features of Tally. Now I have given a word as package with a question mark. So now you have to raise a question. So what is the difference between a software and a package? Often I am saying that Tally is a package, Tally is a package, Tally is a package. So what is package? So there is a difference between software and a package. Suppose if I am writing a program in C++, what I will do? I will write a program for my requirements, for my personal requirements, and I will code it and execute it and I will find my results. So the total process is done by me. But when it comes for a package is already made program where I am going to use the options on the package. I am not going to create anything, just I am going to use. So this is the difference between a software and a package. So the final topic for part 1 is benefits of Tally. So how Tally is going to benefit me. So what are the benefits that are included in Tally? So Tally is the world's most powerful concurrent multilingual integrated business accounting software. So already I have given an example of multilingual. Tally contains so many Indian languages and international languages, so you can work which language you want, you can work in Tally. That's why they are calling this one as a powerful package. Then creation of invoices. So you can create invoices according to your style, whether it may be a single item or multiple items, and also you can work on multiple tax types and even with multiple currencies. So here I have given us multiple currencies. There is an example. Suppose I am doing my business in India. I have to send my products to US. So India is following rupee, whereas in US they are following dollar. Now I have to bridge the gap. My product I am listing here will be in rupee. When I am sending the products and the accounts to the US, suppose orders or purchases, whatever it may be, it will be converted into dollar. So at the same time, dollar is again back converted into Indian rupee. So invoices with multiple currencies can be printed. See the word printed and with the transactions. Okay, the last point. Tally enables its users to work with multiple company accounts. So with one Tally package, I can look for different company accounts. For an example, let us say best we can take Pepsi as our example. Pepsi is a soft drinks makers. They are producing soft drinks. This Pepsi is going to invest on a server side or on online side or any other channels or any other products. They can handle their business with Pepsi itself. With their Tally package, they can connect their other businesses into one place. From this place, they can watch what is going on their sister companies like that. Also, one company can attach account section of another one company. They can club it and make it as a single point of account. So here in the last point they are telling about multiple companies account can be handled in a single place.